At its core, ReconaSense is an access control platform that specializes in evaluating events across your enterprise to provide true threat mitigation. We are proud to share a first-of-its-kind security suite that does three things uniquely: risk adaptivity, system integration, and ease of installation for our integration partners. We do it seamlessly for automated security response in real time. Our mission is to help organizations be proactive, not reactive, in their safety and security structures. Now, you have the power of an advanced security platform in your hands, but with an approachable user interface. At ReconaSense, through automation, we provide life safety and security measures that also reduce the financial burden for our customers. Let me explain how this works. So risk adaptivity, what we call risk assessment scoring, what I personally refer to as risk adaptive intelligence, is the ability to monitor all events in real time. ReconaSense at its core brings in all data points. We constantly look at those data points minute to minute, hour by hour, assess those data points, and provide it with a risk score. Based off of that risk score, we automate your security response. We can change your security posture, which enhances your situational awareness, providing a true command and control platform. Why are people doing it nowadays? In the security industry, there has been a standing push in the last 3, 5, 6 years to integrate video, intrusion, weapon detection, metal detection, including building controls. Through that integration, if you don't do anything with it, automate the security response, then there's really not a whole lot of purpose to it other than simple user interface. So from our perspective, when we take those data inputs, then we can actually do something with it, which is to automate the security response.
Who is ReconaSense for? So the easy answer is everyone. Because as an access control platform, we have really taken into account what the customer is looking for, what that end user needs, and really specifically how that integrator is going to benefit from using our access control platform instead of a legacy system. So legacy systems are great, they work as they're supposed to. The problem is they only work as they're supposed to. They're capped. So ReconaSense takes that cap and moves beyond that. So you're almost future-proofing your security solution that you have chosen, in this case, ReconaSense.
ReconaSense is very proud to introduce a lot of security management workflows through our risk-based approach. What that means is we're automatically doing a whole lot of things. We're automatically configuring your control points and monitor points. We're automatically helping you maintain your credentials and throughout their life cycle. We're automatically evaluating all of the data points that are coming through your security infrastructure in real time. And then we're automatically notifying you. And unlike anyone else, we are automatically adjusting the access policy based on how you would want it if you were sitting there. You're no longer dependent on the operator to be looking at everything, to know everything, and then to know exactly how to do everything when the incident occurs. You've been able to program this into your risk-based access control system unlike anyone else. And might I say, that's done through no-code workflows. There is no custom scripting involved in ReconaSense. We've done such a good job of essentially bringing all the elements that are available into a pick list form that as a field practitioner, if you know what you want, you can now go in here without any custom software scripting, no development beforehand, and truly configure your security system to be tailored to exactly what the site needs. Because we all know every facility is different, and every department has different concerns, and every industry has different compliances. So to think that one human or a group of humans could be sitting there looking at everything, evaluating everything, and then knowing what to do and how to do it instantly is a very tall order. So ReconaSense helps supplement the human capabilities with risk-based automation.
You simply click on the photo, right? So anything that they need, and it's not just simply telling them, hey, something is happening at our facility somewhere, but it's targeted information, it's better information, and they can go and look and see what's causing that threat, not simply a generic, hey, some stuff somewhere.
Something happened, go figure it out.
Exactly. So our officers don't have to necessarily have a lot of background. They could be coming off of break and be plugged right back into a scenario where they're able to respond in the highest level that they can, knowing what the current risk score is, knowing what the current risk posture is versus weapons or weather, anything else.
ReconaSense is for the security element of an integrator or an end user who is looking for that next level security system, not the ones that are doing the same thing the same way for the past 20 and 30 years. And the only reason that they continue to keep using that platform is because they're stuck in that platform. That platform is now a square peg and they are a round hole, and they're trying to fit into what they're doing, into what someone else has designed a system for other people. What makes ReconaSense so great is we're able to be that round hole for that round peg, so now we grow with your system instead of having to grow around your system. It is a true partnership of technologies.